In today's video, we have an exciting lineup of the top 5 lawn edging tools that will revolutionize the way you maintain your beautiful yard. From cordless trimmers to classic manual mowers, we've got something for everyone. And I also mentioned all product links in the description box. Let's dive right into the top 5 lists. Number 1. Works WG163 20V PowerShare 12-inch cordless edger. This is a versatile and efficient cordless string trimmer and edger that can tackle all your lawn maintenance needs. With its powerful 20V battery, you can easily trim and edge your lawn without the hassle of cords or gas. It allows you to cover more ground in less time. The dual functionality of this tool allows you to switch between trimming and edging with a simple rotation of the head, making it convenient and time-saving. And it's equipped with two 20V PowerShare batteries, providing extended runtime for larger yards. You can easily swap out the batteries and continue working without any downtime, ensuring that your lawn is always well maintained. Here are some pros of this product. Cordless design for hassle-free operation. Dual functionality as a trimmer and edger for versatility. Adjustable telescopic shaft for customized comfort. Command feed spool system for uninterrupted trimming. Two 20V PowerShare batteries for extended runtime. Cons. The cutting width may be insufficient for very large lawns. Number 2. American Lawn Mower 14-inch 4-blade lawn mower. This is an eco-friendly and quiet alternative to gas-powered mowers. With its 14-inch cutting width and 4-blade design, this mower provides a precise and clean cut for your lawn. This manual lawn mower is incredibly easy to operate. Simply push it across your lawn, and the blades will effortlessly spin, cutting the grass to an even height. Since it doesn't require any gas or electricity, you won't have to worry about cords, batteries, or maintenance. This reel mower is lightweight and compact, making it easy to maneuver and store. It's also quiet, so you can mow your lawn at any time without disturbing your neighbors or causing noise pollution. Here are some pros. Eco-friendly and quiet operation. Adjustable cutting height for customized results. Lightweight and compact design for easy maneuverability. Low maintenance requirements. No cords, batteries, or gas are needed. Cons. Not suitable for large lawns or tall grass. Number 3. Works WG896 Electric Lawn Edger and Trencher. This is a powerful electric lawn edger and trencher that can help you achieve clean and professional-looking edges for your lawn. With its 12-amp motor and 7.5-inch blade, this tool can effortlessly cut through tough grass and soil. This edger features a 3-position adjustable blade depth, allowing you to create precise edges according to your preferences. Whether you want a shallow or deep cut, the WG896 can accommodate your needs, ensuring a neat and well-defined edge for your lawn. This electric edger is equipped with a cutting line indicator, ensuring that you maintain a straight line while edging. Here are some pros. Powerful motor for efficient cutting. Adjustable blade depth for precise edging. Versatile functionality as an edger and trencher. Cutting line indicator for straight edges. Comfortable and ergonomic handle for easy operation. Cons. Requires access to an electrical outlet. Not suitable for large-scale landscaping projects. Number 4. GardenJoy 12V Grass Trimmer Lawn Edger. The GardenJoy Cordless Lawn Trimmer Weed Whacker is a reliable and versatile gardening tool that combines convenience and power to provide an effortless trimming experience. Equipped with a robust 12V motor, the GardenJoy Cordless Lawn Trimmer Weed Whacker effortlessly slices through dense vegetation, delivering a precise and uniform cut every time. The cutting blade is engineered with utmost precision to ensure optimum performance, enabling users to achieve flawlessly trimmed lawns and tidy edges. The GardenJoy Cordless Lawn Trimmer Weed Whacker offers adjustable height settings, ensuring a customized trimming experience that suits your needs. Whether you need to trim tall grass or maintain precise edges, this tool can be easily adjusted to accommodate different cutting heights. Here are some pros. Cordless design for freedom of movement. Long-lasting battery for extended runtime. Adjustable handle and telescopic shaft for comfortable operation. Wide cutting swath for efficient trimming. Cons. May not be suitable for heavy-duty trimming tasks. Battery charging time may vary. Number 5. Confidto Cordless String Trimmer and Lawn Edger. The cordless weed whacker, electric weed eater battery-powered 21V2A, is a game-changer for both amateur gardeners and seasoned professionals. With its lightweight design, versatile functionality, and impressive battery life, this weed whacker offers a comprehensive solution for all your lawn care needs. This weed whacker is its versatility. It comes with 5 types of blades that can be easily interchanged, transforming the tool from a grass trimmer to a lawn edger, mower, or brush cutter. This adaptability makes it suitable for various tasks around the garden, allowing you to maintain your yard with precision and efficiency. The tool also includes a weeder attachment for removing stubborn weeds, ensuring a pristine landscape. Here are some pros. Cordless design for unrestricted movement. Long-lasting battery. Durable build quality ensures long-term reliability and performance. Cons. Interchanging blades may require some effort and time. The push-wheel design may not be suitable for certain terrains or uneven surfaces.